And you are now promoting insecurity. Please look for another food for him.
See, no. I can wear this. My vehicle is parked at the center of Opi.
No worry, that one.
Hold on. So, this is rising. This is sun. This is rising sun, not Biafra, not Eastern Security Network. Do you understand? Stand up. So, with my education, I know areas to go, areas not to go. It could be better for you to be videoing all this. Your guy is talking. Your guy is talking. Your guy is talking. So let's listen to the facts. They know how to react to the facts. This is
the implication of this.
Rising sun. Me, I believe that.
No, 30 minutes. So.
I was right.
Gather people.
If you talk about well, this is just civil dress.
Come this way.
I was buying bread, 10,000 naira bread, sharing the one.
Come this way.
No campaign, nothing. Sharing bread, 10,000 worth of bread. When they came, nobody was doing demonstration or carrying people along. People who were hungry, I was giving them bread.
I tell you.
I was giving them bread.
Then deploy.
Is it wrong to give to feed?
Tell me that.
Lekute.
You know the happen here at all. Now chiwetalu be the problem of Nigeria. That Nollywood actor, yes, chiwetalu now. See the way they beat him yesterday. Soldiers they beat him. Say because say he wear Biafra cloth. So person now no get right to wear cloth of his choice. Now chiwetalu now cloth where person wear now I be the problem of Nigeria. Buhari, you dey see what you dey carry your people they do. Buhari, your government don't fail. You know if you provide electricity, you know if you provide job opportunity, you know if you provide anything, self, nothing you do. Dollar now, $1 is almost 700 naira. Nothing you feel do yet. You know if you control your people where you put for government, you they carry them, they harass innocent citizens. You don't know that chiwetalu is a senior citizen. Man, whether contribute to the development of the entertainment industry in Nigeria. Nice soldiers they humiliate like that, they beat him. Because he wear cloth of his choice. Meaning we not get right now to wear cloth where we say they our mind. Now we say very soon, una call the toss no wear big suit again now. What's happening in this country? Ordinary freedom of cloth now, freedom of association, freedom of right to own a property. Meaning he does not have a right to wear cloth again. Our fundamental human right is gone. Oh. The mighty falling. Is it the same country that Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe fought for? Is it the same country that Obafemi Awolowo fought for? If this is the country, then we are not ready yet. So the data say colonization, foreign people. Now colonization is a situation whereby the foreigners go take over. They will control the affairs of the country. But now, are we not being colonized by the leaders? Are we not being colonized by Buhari bad governance? Are we not being colonized by these people in uniform? You are imagine, look at what you are doing to an elder statesman, the dragon, all because he wear cloth of enjoy Biafra cloth. Nothing to do, no crime. Now, a country where you discover that they maltreat person. Where we Biafra cloth, but yet in the north, una they praise bandit. Una not even know to give bandit. Una say bandit no be terrorist. But somebody where you wear clothes, una they drown for ground, they beat them. See, this is to all the uniform men. Make I tell now something. You see, government goes and comes. But you see, one thing I want to know, forget. There's something called nemesis. Do you know that karma does not forget address? Anything where you do person today, time to come, children go see do unto you. So you say you be uniform man, they give you power, they give you ammunition. You can't use until they maltreat people. Not forget. Say even you, time go read, they'll collect that weapon from you. That's how you discover say many of these uniform men when they don't they hold their hand go they shake. Why? Because now things where they do to people when they in power. Uniform men more use on head they do this work. Because even Nigerians where they come and they talk bad about the government. Now for all of our freedom. Uniform men, are you happy with your work? How much do they pay now? We are talking about increasing the standard of living of the people in general, not be only for the civilians, now for all of us. Are the soldiers happy? How much do they pay now? When I see the maltreat to our fellow citizens, don't forget there is karma. There is karma. Karma does not forget address. And for you, Buhari, since you don't turn east now to a place where they go to maltreat people, there is always a judgment day for all of you. We will not live forever. I mean, come on, this thing for my no man is good.
When some people said there was a country, we actually thought that they were mad when they said there was a country. So now, if they say we should talk about a country now, they call country for the world now. Nigeria said because Nigeria is a country. How can you do this? You as a military man, how can you do this to a man of this age? A man old enough to be your father, you drag him for granted. Now, if nature drag your destiny for granted now, you complain. So if I get wife, when I get children, no? You have a wife, you have children. You beat a man, pop, beat him like saying an animal. Somebody will be like a legend. Somebody will say they look up to somebody that we as individuals are looking up to. Me, I don't blame the military that is doing it. I blame the spoiled country. The spoiled country that we are in, all of us. Now, what is the hope for our children? That he wore an attire that portrays Biafra. Normally, we have not tried for the country. Is it because I'm not started speaking up? Oh, we are all tired of this country. Mr. President, divide this country 50-50. Just give me my portion. I'm tired. What is it? You beat a man of this age. You slap him. Somebody they go doing business, a film business. You drill him. Drill him woto. Come to my brothers. Anyways, it's all good. Now, instead of now for today's side Boko Haram bush, they fight Boko Haram. Now for this old man, but now they show power, now they get power. Now someone wanted the. I don't blame anybody for this thing, no. I don't blame the military. I don't blame the civilian. I don't blame our senior actor. We don't go into that kind of problem. And the sports government now blame. A government that cannot fight for its people. A government that cannot stand for its people. She brought guests there, and I'm never going to handle them. Inside street, and the family will go slap. In abroad, if you wear common flag, waka. But time for Nigeria. May I know use your destiny clean ash. I beg. I take God beg now. Now they watch this video. Some of them go down say, why you dressed like that? Organ, you're dressing. Does he not have a right to wear what he wants to wear? He don't be saying an army uniform himself and go beat down. No wahala. See this country. One day for this country, the people inside the country go tire. When they don't push all of us to reach wall, everybody go tire.